This video is brought to you by our partners, Onyx Hunt with the #1 hunting GPS app, Johnson Woolen Mills with the Northwoods 1842 wool clothing line, Darn Tough Socks with the toughest socks on the planet, Northwoods Whitetails hunting in the true Northwoods, and Mainly Coffee with our signature 9 Mile blend.
yearling bull by himself. He was like laying down right on the side of this trail. I didn't see him until I got to right here and he stood up. See if I can get a clear shot for a picture. Yeah. 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 Nice. That was cool. Hey, I want to make sure that you don't, like, this is your hunt, it's your experience. Like, you know, when it comes to pulling a trigger, it's your call, it's your decision. I'm just here to guide you. That was awesome. Yeah. Did you go over your boots? Mm-hmm. Did you go over?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. So I think we just get down on the downstream skyline and just go for it.
Yeah.
We can get up to some high ground and get our boots drained, bring our socks out and just keep going. Do you have anything in your pockets you can't get wet?
Huh?
Do you have anything in your pockets you don't want getting wet? Want me to put in the back there?
You can put it in any pocket.
This side pocket?
Yeah, that works.
Alright, just don't go above your waist, you know?
Yep.
It should be waterproof anyway, right?
Yeah, I know. My boots like an aquarium.
An aquarium. That's something a vet student would say. It's all beaver dammed, that's why. Oh my god. Man, these beavers been doing some work in here.
Yeah.
Here we go. Maybe. Oh yeah. Oh, it's actually a solid bottom. Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's actually rock.
Oh yeah. I'm not even wet. I don't know about you. Oh, I don't know about this one. Oh yeah, it's getting deeper. Oh yeah. Oh, that's lovely. giant moose over here. You didn't get any water in your boots, did you?
No,
No.
they're dry.
Yeah. Empty out the aquarium. Dewey's gonna laugh about it.
I almost packed dry socks, but I was like, what's the point if the
Yeah.
boot's gonna be wet too?
Right? Do you have wool socks?
No.
Oh man, we gotta get you some. Darn toughs. You didn't know you were into that cold immersion therapy, did you?
Till now.
Any fish in there?
No, not yet.
Like brand new.
Yeah.
Good lord, man, I can't even see the bottom. Oh, it's ooh, ooh. Oh, yeah, that is a new kind of experience. Oh yeah, you're gonna love it. There's no avoiding it. Logan be right to his neck. Yeah, kind of moving fast here. And oh wow! Oh yeah! Wow! That is. Oh, that's great. Yeah. Yeah, that was. I think we should make a fire. Try out without, walk around with soggy feet the rest of the day. Yeah, I don't know, man. I can't see the bottom on this one either.
I feel like we came out almost at the same spot.
You think? I don't know. This is.
But when we walked down, we came out farther.
Yeah. Well, according to Onyx, we're much further upstream than we were before. I can see the bottom.
Can you see the bottom?
Oh yeah.
I hear rapids up above. The question is, do you want to risk it going across?
Yeah, I think we can do it. Just. I think we just chuck these across so we're not carrying them. Oh yeah, that one is heavy. Going for it. You see the bottom, right?
I can't, but You could use that pole, maybe.
Yeah. I could see. It's not any deeper than before. It's just more abrupt. It's a little, you know, it's a little deeper than before. I mean, that was yeah, that was
nice.
That's nice.
That's nice.
You needed that? That's what you're saying.
Yeah, that's chilling my legs off. That's nice.
You just gonna stay in there a while? Well, so far today, seen a cow, found this big old matching set.
I saw 4 partridge.
4 partridge. I think we're just trying to survive and make it back to camp at this point.
Yeah.
Sure. Ooh.
You liking the temperature?
It's
Makes you want to go for a swim, don't it?
kinda, yeah, no. I don't know why this has become a theme of this moose hunt, but we're really not trying to do this. Like, we did not talk about this last night at all. Really didn't even realize it until this morning. So, which side are you going of this thing, up or downstream?
I'm thinking there's more of a build-up on
Upstream?
this side of it.
I mean, I can see the bottom there.
Yeah, I can see the bottom on this side, though.
You can too. That spot right in there looks, I mean, alright.
I need poking sticks.
Right. Just rip the Band-Aid off. Everything I dreamed about.
So you're saying pants come off?
I'm saying the pants coming off would be a good idea. Oh, sure. He waits till I test it out. Then he, you know. Oh, I was thinking right in the mud. Yeah. Yeah, that's deep. Get ready. Safety on. Safety on.
You down?
Yep, move up. Get up. Stay on him. Get ready. Just slowly, slow. And hit him again if he gets up. Slow. Watch your finger on the trigger, Keegan. I think you dumped him. I saw him go down. Just be ready to hit him again. He's right there. All right, just be careful. Just watch him. Keegan, I think you made a great shot, bud.
Right between the eyes.
You did not aim between the eyes, did you? You dumped him.
I'll see where the bullet is.
Oh, he's done, dude. Come here, man. Yeah. Oh, man. Where's the radio? Oh, that's awesome. That is awesome. What an awesome hunt and what an awesome bull. Yeah, dude. Dude, you hit him right. You pulled a Logan, man. Yeah. Oh, dude, that was awesome. You had that cow and that calf. Dude.
We heard the noise behind us,
Oh, man. Dude, we gotta get Dewey on the radio.
I'm gonna go grab the backpack.
Here, you stay here. I'll go grab the backpack. Yeah, dude. You did not aim between the eyes. Dewey, get up here. We got a bull down. Oh man, he stepped out and I was like, oh, and I don't like. He's looking at us. I don't want.
There's no much. I couldn't wait any longer. He's a good size too.
Oh, it's a nice bull.
He
Really
stepped
nice
out. I was
bull.
waiting for his head to be lower, and he's way above.
Oh man.
I think I smoked him.
I heard the shot.
You should see where the bullet is.
Oh my word! Oh my God! Look at that!
I think that was worth.
Look where he plugged it in the middle. He just barely stepped out and looked at us.
Bleeding?
Oh! Oh! Right in the noggin!
That's the theme.
I don't know.
Oh, what a smasher!
He's big.
We came up the road and we see this huge cow in the road. Huge. Like we could see her way off, and she had a calf and they were feeding over there on the left side. And we just kept moving up. And we got real close to them, and then they kind of went down into the woods. And
That's a monster!
we could see the cow and the calf kind of still down here in the woods. And I thought, all right, we're going to do some calling. So I think a cow called.
Yeah.
And we heard
There was a cow behind us.
the cow touched off up here.
And
with
then
him.
immediately after, she went, oh, we heard, oh. And
Him.
that was him.
Him.
Oh, yeah,
And then he
that's
started
right.
raking, and so we kind of moved up, and I started doing some raking. And then when he came to here, we could hear him grunting, and he kind of hung up. And I smashed some bushes, and then
Oh yeah,
and he just stepped out with
challenged him.
his head was right about here, and Keegan's kneeled down in the road, and he's looking at us. And I was like, oh man, just take him, tap, put him right down, right down.